Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Just 1 minute, let me check if it is live or not. Just check. Hi everyone, so today's session will be a quiz session, or you can call it as a practice session on binomial theorem. Okay, so here we will be solving certain problems of binomial theorem and hope that will be interesting to all of you. Okay, and for that we will start with my introduction. Okay, so as you can see here, my name is Kamal Kumar. I'm an aerospace engineer and I love to play around with numbers. That's why I'm teaching mathematics to all of you. And I'm a technical document specialist in aerospace industry. I have around 5 years of experience in teaching mathematics. Okay? Yes. And at the end of the session, if you like my session and if you are further interested in joining Unacademy Plus, you can join Unacademy Plus for the regular classes of me using my referral code, that is Kamal10. Okay, so you can use this referral code whenever you are joining Unacademy Plus, and that will be helping you as well as me to explore the world of teaching. Okay. Hi guys, it's school time on Unacademy. We are really excited about it, and with launch of live classes for CBSE class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, we are providing an early start, like walking a mile ahead of your competitors. So it is also without compromising on your speed, because you know when it's standard 11th or 12th, it's all a matter of time. Okay, and we don't want you to struggle at the last moment. That's why we say we don't compromise on your speed, and that's what we educators at Unacademy are bringing up for you. We conduct live classes, doubt sessions, and practice sessions for the CBSE class 9th and 12th. 9th to 12th. We help you build your foundation for the coming challenges when we are going ahead. Okay, so if you are on my class, you know how to access the Unacademy. So you can access the Unacademy through desktop, through mobile app, both of these. Okay, and you can go to your respective course and select it as your goal. Assume if you are in standard 12, you can select. Sorry. Okay, if you are in a standard 12th, you can select this as your goal, click on this plus, and you can move on. If you are in standard 11th, you can click on this plus sign, and then you can, it will take you to this page where they will ask you for the duration of your membership. That can be of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. According to that, once you select the month, they will ask you for any referral code. So you can use this referral code as Kamal10, KAMAL10, enter it here, and then you can click on the apply button. Once you apply it, so that will take you to the payment site, and you can start learning with Unacademy Plus. Once you are on an Academy Plus, you can follow me. You can check my profile, Kamal Kumar. I provide a special class. I take a special class. Okay, I take regular class and I take YouTube class. All three types of classes are being taken by me. So if you follow me, you will keep on getting regular update about me. If you need to have any other idea or any other information about the course, you can just ping me your name and class on Telegram 9738919340. I will add you to the Telegram link. Otherwise, you can search it by Unacademy classes by Kamal Kumar. Okay, so if you search by this name on an Telegram app, you can join my group, and from there you can take all the updates about special class, regular class, and YouTube class going ahead. Okay, now before, as all of you know, that today's topic is about practice session on binomial theorem, right? So before going to that, what I feel is very much necessary for you guys to have a review of whatever topics we studied in binomial theorem. Okay, so let's have a look on one by one. Okay, so if you have some expansion a plus b to power n. Okay, so this formula can be expanded in this way: nc0 a to power n b to power 0 plus nc1 a to power n minus 1 into b to power 1 plus nc2 a to power n minus 2 into b to power 2. Okay, and then it will keep on going till last one. So last one, see, nc0, this number keeps on increasing, as you might have already noticed. So this will go until you reach ncn, means this number and this number both should be equal. So in that case it will become a to power n minus n. So this will become a to power 0 and b to power n. So if you go one step back, that will give you nc n minus 1 a to power 1 b to power n minus 1. So this is the combination. Okay, so if you have to find any term, okay, now if you see any term, okay, assume t1. So if you can see here, t1 is what? nc0 term, where c0, right, and a to power n and b to power 0. So if you notice here, then this 0 and this 0 both are same always. Like if you have one here, then here also you have one. If you have two here, here also you have two. Then second thing is n plus 0 should always be equal to n. N minus 1 plus 1 n. N minus 2 plus 2, that is also gives equal to n, right? So like that expansion should be there. So if you see t1, so here whatever the digit is, this is one less than this one. So if you have to find, assume t7, so that will become nc6, means if it is 7 then this will be 6. Okay, and this a to power and b to power. So if b to power it is 6, then a to power it will be n minus 6. Is it clear? Hope all of you are clear with this. Okay, so if you want, you can create a different formula. Okay, nth term. Okay, so if we have rth term we need to find tr, then we can always write nc r minus 1, right, and then a to power n plus 1 minus r. Okay, because see, if you see n minus r plus 1, so I can write it as n plus 1 minus r, and then b to power r minus 1. So this you can follow as a formula going ahead. Okay guys, coming to next thing. Okay, now if you see, then in all the expansion, okay, so number of terms. Okay, about number of terms. So if you see a plus b whole square, this starts from a to sorry, a square plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So this same thing, if you go a plus b whole cube, there will be, see here how many terms are there? 2 plus 1 term, right? Same way this will be how many terms? 3 plus 1 terms. Okay, so if you have a plus b to power n, right? Then expansion will have how many terms? N plus 1 terms. Is it clear? Hope it is clear with all of you. Okay, next thing what? Now a plus, okay, now next thing is what? Once you understood how many terms are there, then you need to also understand if we have a minus b to power n, right? A minus b to power n, expansion will follow same way, just wherever b is there, that we can replace with minus b. So this will become nc0, sorry, nc0 a to power n into b to power 0 plus nc1 a to power n into minus b to power 1 plus nc2, right, into a to power n minus 2 into, sorry, here also it will be n minus 1 into minus b to power 2. So you, if you write on, so ncn a to power 0 and b to power, sorry, minus b to power n. So here also you can see that if it is 8 minus b to power n, okay, so every second term is negative because minus b to power odd terms, okay. So this will be alternate, nc0 a to power n minus nc1 a to power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a to power n minus 2 and b to power 2 plus nc3 a to power n minus 3 a to power n minus 3 into b to power 3 and, sorry, again, okay, see, since it is odd, so it will be negative, and like that it will keep on going till ncn a to power n, sorry, a to power 0 and minus b to power n. So if it is odd, then it will come here. If it is even, then it will be as it is positive. Is it clear? Hope all of you clear. So same thing, now same you can use in various ways. So if you want 1 plus x to power n, also you can use this. If you want x plus 1 to power n, then also you can use it. If you want 1 minus x to power n, then also you can expand same way. And if you have x minus 1 to power n, then also you can expand it. Okay, like that there will be some concepts, so which now we will go ahead and we will see whenever it comes, like next topic is coming, so that time we will cover each of these. Okay, next is coming to questions. Okay, so first question number 1, how many of you, can anyone answer it? Anyone who is online, can anyone answer? The number of terms in the expansion of 2x plus 3y to power 17 is, so what is this value? A plus b to power n is there, then how many terms would be there? N plus 1 terms, right? So in this case, what is n? N is 17. So n plus 1 will become 17 plus 1, that will give us 18 terms. Is it clear or not? Hope it is clear with all of you. Okay, coming to question number 2. Okay, so question number 2, now what we have here? 3x minus 5 by y to power 10, right? Again the number of terms, so even if it is negative or positive, number of terms will be still same, right? So again we have a minus b to power 10, right? So this will have how many? 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11 terms are there in expansion. Is it clear? Hope it is clear with all of you. Now Now comes the main twist of this expression. Okay, now when you have x plus y to power 8 and x minus root y to power 8. Okay, so in this case, see, if you remember, a plus b to power, assume 4, and a minus b to power 4, right? If we expand it, so see, nc0 term will be something, then plus nc1 term will be something, plus nc2 term will be something, plus nc3 term will be something, plus nc4 term will be something. Sorry, n also will become 4 here. Same way here, 4c0 term will be something, but again, when the second term comes, that will be odd term because it is a minus b to power 4 expansion, right? So 4c1, it is negative. Same thing, plus 4c2 and then something, minus 4c3 and then plus 4c4. Is it clear or not? Okay, now if you observe, then this term and this term will get cancelled, right? Okay, so whenever you have this thing, see, again, how many terms are left in this? If I am adding this, so this plus this, how many terms are there? There are 3 terms are left. Okay, now let's try this with a plus b whole square only. So you can see a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? And then a square minus 2ab and plus b square, right? So in this case, again this cancels. So how many terms are left? 2 terms. Is it clear or not? Okay, so you can observe that if it is addition, like if you have a plus b to power 4 plus a minus b to power 4, okay, then that number of terms, see, in any expansion, this expansion also will have 5, this expansion also will have 5, right? Okay, but odd terms will, sorry, second terms, fourth term, like that, all the even terms will get cancelled, right? So in that case, so total terms are 5, right? So 5 plus 1 by 2. These are the number of terms left, right? So if you see here in this expansion, right? If you are have a plus b to power 4, so how many terms are there? 5 plus 1 by 2, right? So how many terms? 3 terms are left. Same way, if you are seeing here, how many terms are there? 3 terms are there, right? So 3 plus 1 by 2. So 2 terms are left. Okay. So now I will write an expression based on this for all of you. Okay. Okay, so if we have something like, see, a plus b to power n and then plus a minus b to power n, okay, then in this case how many terms will be there? N plus 2 by 2 number of term. Okay, so in this case what you have 8 here, n is equal to 8, right? So n plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 8 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 5 terms will be there, right? So how many terms are there? 5 terms are there. Is it clear or not? If anyone is having doubt, please let me know. Okay, now same thing, we'll solve one more for odd number. Okay, wait, since we don't have any problem in this, we'll try to solve here itself. Okay, so if you have if n is even, right? Now assume Okay, now let's assume another expression. If the same question was with 7, assume if the same question was with 7, so in that case what would we do? In that case what would we do? In that, see, same thing, if I expand a plus b to power 3, okay, and plus a minus b to power 3, right? A plus b to power 3 and a minus b to power 3. If you expand it, how much you will get? A square plus 3a, sorry, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? Same way, oh sorry, I couldn't. Sorry, Rachit, I couldn't see your message. Can you ask me where you were stuck, getting stuck? Rachit, Shreya, sorry, I just saw your message. Anything you wanted to ask? Okay. So if it is 7, okay, that is an odd number. Okay, I'll just refresh it because I don't know why messages I was not able to see. Okay, Rachit, good. What about you, Shreya? Okay, so in this case, if you see AQ, okay, good. Okay, AQ minus 3a square b, right, plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? So in this case, if you see how, what is the condition, that you can easily observe that this and these terms are still getting cancelled, right? Right or wrong? So in this case, total number of terms is equal to, if you have a plus b to power n, right, plus a minus b to power n, right? In this case, what is the condition? See, if you have 3 here, right, so how many terms are there? Total 4 terms. So 3 plus 1 by 2. Is it clear? So in this case, how many terms will be there? N plus 1 by 2 is the number of terms. Is it clear or not, everyone? Is it clear? Okay. So a plus b to power n plus a minus b to power n, if it is the expansion of n is odd number, okay, understood or not? If it is n is odd number, then total number of terms will be n plus 1 by 2, and if it is even number, then n plus 2 by 2. Is it clear, guys? All of you are clear with this? Okay, good. Now can you guys answer for me? You can take some time and then answer. You can take some time and then you can answer, okay, but you need to derive a formula like that only first. Oh, good. Good. Okay, so see, this if you want to find, you can directly go into this again back. Okay, so see, whenever you have n is equal to odd number, right, so whenever odd number is there, same number of terms will be there for even negative also. Understood? So if you have, okay, if you have a plus b plus a minus b to power n, or a plus b to power n minus a minus b to power n, in both the cases number of terms will be same, that is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Okay, because 4 will be cancelling in positive, 4 will be cancelling in negative. Okay guys, let's move to next question. Can you tell me how much will be this? Come on, answer for this question. Anyone? No, Shreya, no. See, here you need to notice this part. What is this? Negative, right? Right? When it is negative, so see, in total, if you don't have anything, then expansion of a plus b to power 10 will be how many terms? 11 terms, right? Right? And when you are doing a plus b plus a minus b to power n, 10, right? So when you are doing 10, so how many terms are there? When we are adding this, so n plus 2 by 2, right? N plus 2 means how many terms are there? 12 plus, sorry, in this case you will have 6 terms, right? When it is negative, so a plus b to power n plus a minus b to power, sorry, 10. In this case total it will be how much? 11 minus 6 terms, that is 5 terms. Is it clear or not? Shreya or Rachit, or you want more explanation on this, then please tell me. See, because here what will happen? Okay, sorry, this is negative. Is it clear? Okay, because 6 terms will be in positive when we add, and 5 terms will be in negative. Okay, shall we move to next question? Yes. Yeah, can you tell me the answer? The 7th term in the expansion of this is 7th term. Seventh term in the expansion of root x plus root y to power 10. When I write T7, so this will first go to 10C6, right? 10C6, and then root x to power 10 minus 6, that is 4, right? And root y to power 6, right? So just match it first. See, out of this, what it will become? 4, 10C6, x to power how much? 2, y to power 3. Okay, so this is not correct, this is not correct. Now we need to check between which one? B and D, right? B and D, right? So now first of all, so B, how you can check? By checking the value of 10C6. So that is how 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 2s are 8, it will cancel. 3 3s are 9, it will cancel. How much is left? 10 into 3 into 7. So Satya is 210. Is it clear? Shall we move to next question? Rachit? Yes, correct. Come on, solve this question. And I will be taking your answer only. Please answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, so here we have to find T10, right? T10 means T10 means NC. Yes, Shreya says it is B. Okay, we'll check it. Okay, so can I write it as 12C9? 12C9, right? 12C9, then 2x squared. 2x squared to power how much? 3. And then 1 by x squared to power how much? 9, right? Right? So this will become how much? 12C9. 2 to the 4 to the 8 into x to power 6 into, or we can directly write 1 by x to power 18, right? So 12C9 into 8 into x to power 6 minus 18, so x to power minus 12, right? So this is wrong, this is wrong. Now we need to check if this 1760 is this value or not. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Okay, come on guys, solve this question. Solve question. The fourth term in the expansion. Guys, you shouldn't take this much time, right? It shouldn't take this much time. This is easy problem. See, fourth term, right? So fourth term means directly 2 4 T4, sorry. Then 12C3. 12C3 means x to power 12 minus 3, that is 9, and minus 2y to power 3. So which one is matching? Y to power, this is not correct, this is not correct, this one is correct, right? Now you just need to check the negative value. So see, here it will get negative, right? So C should be the correct answer, right? You need to be more faster. Okay guys, come on, solve this one. T6 you need to find. Anyone answer fast. Okay, so T6 means 9C5, right? 9C5 into 4x by 5, 4x by 5 to power 9 minus 5, that is 4, right? And then minus 5 by 2x, right? Minus 5 by 2x to power how much? 5, right? So it means 9C5, 4 by 5 you leave as 4, okay, into minus 5 by 2 you leave as 5, into x to power 4 divided by x to power 5, right? So it means something divided by x, right? So which is the correct answer? C should be the correct answer, right? Is it clear or not? Correct? Surya and Rachit? Good. How many of you can solve this question? Please solve this question. Come on. Yeah. Read here, guys. Here B, you need to be careful. Okay, the fifth term from the end. Okay, fifth term from the end. Now just here one thing you need to know, that if you are expanding, like see, if you are expanding a plus b to power n, right? And or assume 4. Okay, assume you are expanding a plus b to power 4. So what you will write? 4c0 into a to power 4, 4c1 into a to power 3, b to power 1, 4c2 into a to power 2, b to power 2, 4c3 into a to power 3, b to power 1, sorry, a to power 1, b to power 3, plus 4c4, a to power 0, b to power 4, right? So either if you have to go it in this way, or assume you have same thing if I write b plus a to power 4, right? So in that case what will be the condition? 4c0 a to power 0 into b to power 4, right? Because b comes the first term here now, right? Then 4c1 b to power 3 a to power 1, 4 plus 4c2 b to power 2 into a to power 2 plus 4c1, sorry, 3 a1 b1 a3, and then 4c4 b to power 0 a to power 3 a to power 4. Is it fine? Now if you match this in the order, okay, see, if you are going from this side and you are going from this side, are both same? Because 4c0 is same thing as 4c4, 4c1 is same thing as 4c3, 4c2 is same thing as 4c2, 4c3 is same thing as 4c1, and 4c4 is same thing as 4c0, right? Okay, so when you are going from behind, so either you find this one fifth term from the end, or you can write this as minus 1 by x plus x and 12 and find the fifth term of this. Understood? So if you find the fifth term of this, you can directly get to same thing as fifth term from the end. Okay, so let's solve this. Fifth term from the end for this one will be how much? T5, right? So T5 will be how much? That is 12C4, right? 12c4 minus 1 by x to power minus 1 by x to power how much? 8, right? Okay, and then x to power 4. Okay, so see, you can easily see this is equal to 12c4 into 1 by x to power 4, right? So 1 by x to power 4 is in which case? D. So D is the correct answer. Okay, so from now onwards, either going from behind means from this reverse, or you can directly take the interchange the position of both. You will get the same answer. Come on guys, tell me the answer of this one. Yes, which should be the answer? Same thing again. Okay, what you can do? Okay. I will wait for the answers. I will wait for you to solve. No problem. Yes, correct. Correct. Why? Because see, this 17 is there, right? And when you are writing T14, right? So T14 means NC13, right? So 13 plus how much should be there to make it 17? So plus 4 I need, right? So 13 plus 4 is giving us 17. Okay, this is the easier way. Okay, like first you can check directly which is supporting your statement or not. Okay, so see, once you have 17c4, right? 17c4 means same thing as, okay, so even it can be 17c3 c13 also, because both of these are equal. Okay, anyone any confusion? Anyone is having any confusion, then please ask. If anyone is having any confusion, then please go ahead and ask the doubt. Good. Next question. Middle term in the expansion of this. So middle term should be, how many of you know what is middle term? How many of you know what is middle term? Yes. Then please solve it. for those who don't know. मिडिल टर्म का कैसे होगा? ओके ओके, सी हियर, whenever you have this as even number, okay, Rachit, if this is n is even number, so if n is even number, then you need to find this term. This will be your middle term. Okay, so n is how much in this case? N is 10. So 10 by 2 plus 1, that is sixth term will be the middle term. Is it clear? So sixth term will be how much? NC5, right? Or you can say 10C5 into x to power 5 into minus 1 by 2y to power 5, right? Okay, so which one is the correct one? Only one of these are correct. No, Shreya, that is wrong. C, NC5, right? N by 2 plus 1. So which term? Sixth term will be your middle term. So if you have to find sixth term, so T6, right? T6 means NC5, 10C5, right? So x to power 5 into this. So see, x to power 5 is in which one? This one only. Got it? Yeah, can you solve this one, guys? Rachit, you got it, right? Rachit, you understood? Yeah, no need to be sorry. Just see, wherever you are getting struggled, you can ask, no problem. Nothing like that. Now is the time you need to improve. That's all. Okay. Solve this question, both of you. Which is the answer? B. You are telling B. Okay. Let's check. So middle term. Again, middle term here also will be T6, right? So T6 means NC5, that is 10C5, right? X square to power 5 minus 2 by x to power 5, right? So that will give you 10C5 x to power 10, right, into minus 2 to power 5 divided by x to power 5. So finally x to power 5 should be there. Check between this and this now, right? Now see, minus 2 to power 5 is there, right? So it is negative, right? So negative means this one is correct. Hi Pranab. Okay, come on guys. Can you know how to solve this one? To find the coefficient of x to power 7 in this one. How many of you can do? Pranab, why you need that data? Okay guys, come on, see this problem. The coefficient of x to power cx 7 in the expansion of x square plus 1 by x to power 11, right? So in this case what we need to do, first of all we need to find where this x to power 7 is going to come, right? Okay, so just write a general. Okay, write a general. So if I'm writing tr plus 1, okay, if I'm writing tr plus 1, so that will give us ncr into x square to power, sorry, 11 is here, so 11 minus r into 1 by x to power r. Is it clear or not? Pranav, Shreya, Rachita, all of you guys, please see if this is clear or not. Right, now we know that the term should be x to power 7, right? So I can directly write it as 11 cr, then x square to power 11 minus r. So 2 into 11, 22, minus 2r can I write, divided by x to power r. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Okay, now next will be how much? 11 cr, right, into x to power 22 minus 2r minus r, right? Can we write like this? Okay, next will be how much? 11 cr x to power 22 minus 2r minus 3r. So 22 minus 3r. Now 22 minus 3r, we know that x to power how much should be there? X to power, it should be 7, right? So I can write it like this. X to power 22 minus 3r should be equal to x to power 7. So this means 22 minus 3r should be equal to 7, right? So I can solve and find the value of r. So 22 minus 7 will be how much? Right. Therefore r is equal to 5. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not, guys? So r equal to 5. Now you can find the coefficient of r equal to 5 by putting in this thing, right? You can find, guys. Okay, so you can put the value and you can find this. Okay, so if you want me to solve till final, I will solve it. Okay, so 11 cr, right? So what you can do, directly you can put 11 c5 and then you can find the value of this. Okay, yes, tomorrow I don't think I am taking the class tomorrow. Yes, for yeah, for 11th you guys have uh, permutation and combination practice is there from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. You have practice of permutation and combination. Practice means basically quiz only. Quiz of permutation and combination on a special class. Okay, so if you guys are not there in my group, you can join me on this number 97389199340. So this is the contact number. You can just ping on Telegram. Okay, and I will add you to the group. Okay, so if you want, I will add you to the group. Okay, shall we come back to the problem? Yes. How many of you can solve this question? Who can solve this question? मैंने बेंगलोर से पढ़ाई की है। Question is not clear? Okay, I will clear it again. Wait, just give me a sec. Like, see, Shreya, the term independent of x means when we expand this x plus 1 by x, okay, to power 10, when I expand this, there should be a term, okay. So, just 1 minute, I lost the connections of your message. Hello, hello, is it clear now? Rachit and Shreya, is it clear now? Okay, so see, if you have this term, okay, there will be a term where x to power 0 will be there, okay. So if x to power 0 is there, then this x to power 0 becomes what? 1. So that term will be called as independent of x. Understood? Is it clear? Okay, so now if you expand this, what will be the expansion? See, tr plus 1, if I am expanding, so what will be this? 10cr into x to power r and 1 by x to power, sorry, 10 minus r and 1 by x to power r. So this should total be how much? X to power 10 minus r plus r is equal to x to power 0, right? So wait, something we did wrong. Okay, so if I take tr, right, tr, then this will become how much? 10cr, right, into x to power sorry, x to power will be how much? 10 minus r into 1 by x to power r, right? So this will be your term, and then if I expand this, this will become 10cr into x to power, so only two. Yes, I see, it seems so. Yes, so 10 minus r, okay, and then minus r, right? So this will become how much? We need to make sure that this value should be equal to x to power 0, right? So x to power 10 minus 2r should be equal to x to power 0. So 10 minus 2r should be equal to 0. So 10 should be equal to 2r. So r should be equal to 5, right? Now you can put this value in this 10c5. You can find the value. You can find it, Shreya and Rachit. You can find it, right? Okay. Okay, guys. Anything you want to ask? Any question or anything on today's class? Okay. So after this, you guys can solve this problem also. Okay. Then total number of terms in this expansion after simplification. How many terms would be there? When it is addition, right? When it is addition, what we discussed? when it is addition, it will be 10 plus n plus 2 by 2, right? So n plus 2 by 2, so that will become 100 plus 2 by 2. Okay, so total number of terms in this will be how much? 100 plus 2 by 2, right? So 100 plus 2 by 2 will be how much? That is 102 by 2, that is equal to 51 terms. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, so same way you can solve this question also. All of you are clear with all the question? Anyone want to ask any question, then please ask. If anyone is having any question, you can ask. Okay, so here straightforward, your answer should be 5, right? Okay, so if any one of you are like, or either you or your friends are looking to join an academy, you can use my code Kamal10 Kamal10 for the referral link. Okay, and you can join on academy. You will meet several many other teachers like me who will be, yes, class will end now. Okay, you can meet many other teachers like me, so join on an academy. You can use my referral link Kamal10. Okay, so if you use it, you will get certain discount, and maybe we can meet somewhere in the class, and you can ask more and more doubts. Okay guys, so with that, thanks for attending my class, thanks for viewing. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then let's meet up and you can ask me any doubts. Okay, so tomorrow on Unacademy Plus, we have a class. We have a class from 3 to 4, sorry, 3 to 5 p.m. 3 to 5 p.m. complete doubt session. Yes, class ends now. 3 to 5 p.m. complete doubt session on permutation and combination. Okay, so complete practice session. It will be hell lot of questions you guys will be solving there, and we'll see what wherever we are studying. Okay, okay guys. So see you. Sign off. Everyone take care. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me. If not, then good luck. Okay, chalo guys. Bye. Take care. Okay guys, bye bye.